Welcome to our channel. How to set up the Linksys RE6300 Wi-Fi range extender. If your Wi-Fi drops out in certain rooms or doesn't reach across your home, a Linksys Wi-Fi extender can fix that in just a few minutes. We are here with a full setup video tutorial of Linksys RE6300 Wi-Fi range extender. Let's go step by step and get your Wi-Fi coverage extended where it's required the most. Unbox the Linksys RE6300 and power source your extender. The power LED on the extender will turn solid green. Open Wi-Fi settings on your device and search for a network called Linksys Extender Setup. Once connected, open a browser like Chrome or Safari. In the address bar, type URL extender.linksys.com and tap Enter. The Linksys setup page will load. Wait for it to finish initializing. Tap Start Setup to begin the configuration process. Choose to set it up as a Wi-Fi range extender. The extender will scan and show a list of nearby Wi-Fi networks. Select your main home Wi-Fi network from the list and enter the password. Wait for the extender to connect and configure itself to your router. Once it says setup is complete, unplug the extender. Move it to a desirable spot, where you require the extended network and not too far from your router. Plug it back in and wait for the LED to turn solid green again. That green light confirms the extender has a good connection with the router. The Linksys RE6300 is now fully set up to extend ultra-fast internet in the areas with weak or unstable Wi-Fi connection. Now, you can enjoy smooth and consistent internet all through your home. If this video helped you get your Linksys extender up and running, hit like button and feel free to drop your questions or setup related issues in the comment box below. Thank you for watching.